Very quick update tonight. Just wanted to say, yes, I've got it. DHL have just delivered the new DJI Mavic Air 2 for me. I've got the Flymore Combo. I've just been busy unpacking it all. Quite a bit of kit you get with it. Actually feels a very, very solid bit of kit. Similar build to the Mavic 2 Pro. Batteries, the very big remote control. Be good to see how that feels over the next few days or so. As I said, I went for the Flymore Combo, and really this is just a little update to say, yeah, I've got it. I paid for it and I will be putting it through its paces. So if there's anything that you are interested in or want me to test or review specifically, then drop a little note below and let me know. I'll be charging everything up tonight and putting it through its paces over the next few days. So yeah, probably one of my shortest videos ever, but sometimes it's just good fun to let you know what's coming. So as I said, message me below and ding the old dong if you haven't to get notified when I put out the next videos on this, because I'll be doing quite a bit of comparisons. As I say, I've got the original Air. Oh, hello Molly. I've got the original Air, the Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. So as I said, I'll be putting it through its paces. Let me know what you want to what you want me to review and test, and hopefully I'll be getting a few more videos out over the next week. Either way, until next time, have fun, stay safe, stay sane, happy flying. Cheers.